How to share live location on Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share live location on Google Maps. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Now here, once you're inside the app, what you have to do is you simply have to tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you simply have to tap on location sharing option, and after that you just have to tap on share location button. And now here in this section, you can simply select until you turn this off option, and once you're done with that, you can just select the person which you want to share your map with, and after that you can just tap on share button and it will share your live location with that particular person. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.